This is Lori Kerr in the PLD department with another training video for accessibility. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to access Grackle, which is the tool we have purchased to do accessibility checks on our Google Workspace products like Google Slides, Google Sheets, and Google Docs. This video is going to cover how you access and how you will access those tools, how to get them downloaded so that they are available to you whenever you go to create digital content in Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. So to get to the download, I want to go over on my, if any tab that I'm in Google, I'm going to go into this Google Apps kind of waffle looking icon that's got 9 dots, and when I click on it, it shows me all of the applications I can use. I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom so that I can get to the Google Workspace Marketplace. And when I click on Google Workspace Marketplace, I have the option to look for it within the apps that are there, but I'm going to just search for it. And I'm going to search for it by just typing in the word Grackle. Notice I've looked for this before, so all 3 of those extensions pop up. But when I hit return, it will show me these 3 extensions are extensions that I have installed on my machine so that when I go into any of those applications, I have access to that accessibility checker. So what you'll want to do is click on each one of them and install each one. I'm going to go ahead and just uninstall for a second so you can see what it's like whenever you go through the installation process. So I'm going to click install. I'm going to have to go ahead and hit continue. Then it's going to ask me to give permissions to Grackle Docs. And I'm going to hit continue. I will allow it to see and edit all of these. And then I will hit continue. And it shows me exactly where I'm going to find that. So when I open up a new Google Doc, I will go to extensions and it will appear in that extension submenu. So I'm going to go into those quickly. There will be other videos on how to use the tool within each of those applications, but for now I'm going to show you where you'll find it. So I'm going to go in and just create a new Google Doc. And if I wanted to run Google Docs or Grackle Docs on this document, I'm going to go to the menu where it says extensions, and you'll notice I have this add-on right here called Grackle Docs, and I want to go ahead and launch it. And once I install Grackle Slides and Grackle Sheets, each of those applications will have the same kind of way to launch the tool. I'll go to extensions, it'll have the tool listed, and I'll go ahead and launch it. And then once I launch it, it will go ahead and check for accessibility features. Remember, we're using Grackle extensions to check our Google Workspace applications because there is not a built-in accessibility checker in these applications. So Grackle provides us a way to check for accessibility before we share those documents out. So that's how you access Grackle Docs, Slides, and Sheets, and that should help you navigate accessibility considerations when working in your Google Workspace applications.